It's the beginning of February. We just got another 6 inches of snow yesterday. They're laying down salt and brine like it's nobody's business. As you can see, it's all over my truck. I'm gonna show you what I do before every storm to make sure my vehicles don't rust out and don't get ruined in the New England weather. So the first and most important rule is to make sure you're getting your vehicle professionally undercoated. Make sure they're using an actual undercoat, not bar and chain oil or used motor oil or anything like that. I personally use NHOU. There's a lot of reasons behind that, but there are other people out there. There's fluid film, there's wool wax, there's PB Blast Surface Shield. There's a whole bunch of them. As long as whatever you're using is an engineered undercoat, you're gonna be fine. So the next thing is, I'm gonna walk around my vehicle and look for any bare spots that I can easily see. Here, come a little closer. I like to start out with the rear wheel wells. The spot sees a ton of abuse and is so easy to touch up. Side of the frame, a lot of surface area, a lot of spots to hit. Top of the strut towers, springs, lower control arms, upper control arms, tie rod ends, and then I like to finish off with underneath the hood, try to get the top of the strut tower there, top of the frame, anything that might need a little touching up. And the last place you want to be checking is your door drains. These are on all vehicles and they are designed to let water out. Doors are engineered to have water flow into them and flow out of them, but you just want to make sure that these don't have pine needles and little tiny sticks and little leaves and whatever kind of built up on them that'll block that drain, and then water will sit inside your door and rust it out. So those are the main things you want to make sure you're doing before it snows or really before winter time to keep your vehicle rust free. Now, as you saw, there is salt all over the underside of my vehicle, but it's sitting on top of the oil. As long as that oil is there, the salt can't get past it and it won't be rusting anything. The oil's main job is to keep oxygen from getting to the frame. Without oxygen, rust can't happen. Now I'm gonna tell you the things that you don't do in the wintertime. The first thing I don't do is the most important. I don't go to automated car washes and get the undercarriage spray. If you guys wanna go to the car wash and get the outside done, that's fine, whatever. I personally don't do it, but the undercarriage washes are the worst. They're spraying recycled water, which still has some salt in it, underneath your vehicle. And number one, it's just blasting off the undercoating over time, and it's just spraying salt water in areas that it normally wouldn't get anyway. If your vehicle is properly undercoated, there's no need to do that. The second thing I don't do, if you guys want to knock off the snow and stuff here, that's fine, but don't be going underneath the vehicle with a broom or with some kind of pole and knocking off all the big ice pieces. What you're going to be doing is taking off some of that undercoating with it. Just let the snow and ice sit there, let it fall off organically. It's not going to hurt anything. It's like 0 degrees outside and 30-mile-an-hour winds, so I'm doing the rest in here. The last thing is, as long as you acknowledge that oil undercoatings don't last forever, you're gonna be fine. Yes, you can touch stuff up, but if it was professionally coated, you shouldn't really have anything to do for that season, especially. As long as you're doing that, you're gonna be fine. Your vehicle's gonna be safe. Don't bother doing anything crazy, just do that. Couple bonus things before a storm, make sure your gas tank is at least, half full. I usually fill my washer fluid up, and then I also keep this backpack in here. So in there, I've got a whole bunch of stuff. I'll put the list down below. I've got, food, ways to boil water, extra clothing, thermals, gloves, hats, all that stuff. You don't want to get caught in a storm and not have any of those things on you. If you guys need professional undercoating services, message us at snhmobileundercoat.com. And until then, see you later.